Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide last scene from specific context. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your last scene from specific context, then you need to open your WhatsApp. Once you open it, you need to simply go to your settings. After tapping on settings, you can tap on privacy. Once you have tapped on it as well, you can find the option called last scene and online. Once you tap on it, you can choose your settings. Now you can select my contact accept. So once you tap on my contact accept and choose the person you want to hide your scene list or like hide your last scene from, you can simply tap on the particular person, and once you have tapped on the particular person, you can tap on the tick mark. After this, the person that you have selected will not be able to see your last scene. So this is how you can simply hide last scene from specific contacts. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.